Looking for passive income ideas in this era of online businesses and learning? Here are some that I think might be beneficial for you. Number one is to write articles for clients with the help of AI. AI is an amazing and emerging technology, so I will share with you how you can write articles for clients using AI for your advantage. As a business owner, you're always looking for ways to save time and money. You may not have realized it, but artificial intelligence, AI, can help you do both when it comes to writing articles for your clients. AI can help you write better articles for your clients by providing suggestions on topic ideas, sentence structure, and grammar. You can also use AI to research your topic and find relevant data to include in your article. Best of all, using AI to write your articles doesn't have to be expensive. There are a number of free or low-cost AI services available online. So if you want to save time and money while still producing quality content for your clients, consider using AI. There are a number of online AI services that can help you research and write better articles faster. Some of these services include Quillbot, Article Forge, and Word AI. Quillbot is a self-learning AI service that can help you rewrite sentences or paragraphs to make them more readable and interesting. Article Forge uses AI to generate human-sounding articles on any topic you specify. And Word AI can help you spin existing content to create new, unique versions of your articles. Before we proceed further, I just wanted to remind you that this channel is all about how to manage personal finance, setting financial goals, and how to make money in order to achieve these goals with the help of a little bit of hustle. So if you like what I am sharing with you, please support this channel by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. There are pros and cons to writing articles with AI. Some online businesses believe that AI can help them save time and money, while others are concerned about the quality of the content. On the plus side, using AI to write articles can help businesses produce a large amount of content quickly and cheaply. This is especially helpful for businesses that need to produce a lot of content on a regular basis, such as news websites or blogs. Furthermore, some argue that AI-written articles are just as good as those written by humans, if not better. On the downside, there are concerns about the quality of AI-written articles. Some worry that they will be full of errors and won't make sense. Others believe that they will lack the human touch and won't be engaging to read. In the modern age, it's no secret that online businesses need content to survive. But what many don't realize is that artificial intelligence may be the key to efficient content creation. By utilizing AI, businesses can save time and money while still delivering high-quality content to their audience. In addition, AI can help businesses to better understand their customers' needs and wants. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the content creation process, making it easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. As such, it's no wonder that more and more businesses are turning to AI to help them meet their content needs. So how does writing articles with AI work? Well, there are a few different ways that businesses are using AI to write articles. One popular method is using AI to generate article ideas based on keywords that the business provides. The AI then writes a draft of the article, which is edited by a human before being published. Another way that businesses are using AI to write articles is by using it to help with the research and editing process. For example, some businesses are using AI-powered software to help gather data and compile information into coherent paragraphs. The software can also help check for grammar and spelling errors. Overall, AI can be a valuable tool for businesses that want to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Second idea is creating a social media brand. Use niche topics and make money with sponsored content. Creating a social media brand can be a great way to generate passive income. And it's not as difficult as you might think. Here are some tips for creating a social media brand in any niche. Find your niche. This is the first and most important step. You need to find a group of people who share similar interests and who would be interested in what you have to offer. Create valuable content. Once you've found your niche, you need to start creating content that they will find valuable. This could include blog posts, videos, or even just helpful tips and advice. So, how do you make money with sponsored content on social media? If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, you may want to consider sponsored content on social media. This can be a great way to generate passive income for your business. Here are some tips on how to get started. 1. Find the right platform. Not all social media platforms are created equal when it comes to generating income from sponsored content. Make sure you choose a platform that has a large user base and is popular with your target audience. 2. Create great content. This is key. Your sponsored content needs to be high quality and engaging in order to get people to click through and take action. 3. Use effective call to actions. Make sure your call to actions are clear and concise so that people know exactly what they need to do in order to take advantage of your offer. Let's discuss how we can stand out and build a following in a competitive niche. In a world of online business, it can be hard to stand out. With so many people selling similar products and services, how can you make your business stand out from the rest? One way to do this is to focus on creating a niche market. This means finding a group of people who have specific needs that are not being met by the current market. Once you've identified your niche, you can focus on creating content and marketing strategies that appeal to them. Another way to stand out is to build a following. This can be done by creating quality content that your target audience will appreciate. Once you have built up a loyal following, they will be more likely to promote your business to their friends and family. If you want to succeed in a competitive online market, it's important to find ways to stand out from the crowd. The do's and don'ts of creating a social media brand. When it comes to social media, there are a lot of things business owners need to keep in mind if they want to create a strong and effective brand. First and foremost, it's important to be active on social media and to post regularly. But it's also important not to overdo it. Too much posting can be just as bad as not posting enough. Another thing business owners need to remember is that social media is a two-way street. It's not enough to just post about your products or services. You also need to engage with your followers and listen to what they have to say. Lastly, don't forget that social media is a great way to build relationships with potential and current customers. Tips for growing your social media brand organically. A social media brand can be a great way to generate passive income for your business. However, growing your brand organically can be challenging. Here are some tips to help you grow your social media brand organically. Create compelling content. If you want people to follow your brand, you need to produce content that is interesting and engaging. This can be anything from blog posts and infographics to videos and podcasts. Be active. It's not enough to just post content. You also need to be active on social media. This means responding to comments and interacting with other users. Network. Get connected with other influencers in your niche and collaborate with them. This will help expose your brand to a wider audience. You've built up a following on social media, and now you're wondering how you can monetize your platform. There are a few options for generating passive income from your social media presence. One option is to create sponsored posts for businesses or brands that are relevant to your audience. You can also promote affiliate products or services that you use and love. If you have a blog or website, you can also add advertising banners or links to generate income. Whatever route you decide to go, remember that it's important to remain authentic and transparent with your audience. Number 3 is to sell stock images. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, selling stock images is a great option. It's a passive income. Some few tips on how to get started in selling stock images. 1. Do your research. There are a lot of different stock image websites out there, so take some time to find the one that best suits your needs. Some sites specialize in certain types of images, so if you have a specific niche, look for a site that caters to that. 2. Start small. Don't try to upload thousands of images all at once. Start with a few hundred and see how it goes. Once you get the hang of things, you can start uploading more. Let me share some tips for getting your stock images noticed. When it comes to making money with your stock images, there are a few key things you can do to make sure your images are getting noticed. First, make sure you're tagging your images properly and using the right keywords. This will help potential buyers find your images when they're searching for something specific. Second, create collections of your best work so buyers can easily browse through your portfolio and find the perfect image for their needs. Finally, promote your stock photos on social media and other online platforms to get more exposure. By taking these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to generating passive income from your stock photography. Secrets to selling more stock images: here are the top 3 just for you. First, choose your keywords carefully. Make sure they're relevant to the image and that they'll help people find your photo when they're searching for something specific. Second, take advantage of social media. Share your photos on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, and make sure to include relevant hashtags. This will help people find your photos when they're looking for specific topics or keywords. Finally, consider creating a portfolio on a site like Shutterstock. This will give you a dedicated space to showcase your work, and it'll make it easier for people to find and purchase your photos. Number 4 is starting a membership website. There are a few things you should know before starting a membership website. Here are what you need to know before taking the plunge. You'll need content, and lots of it. A membership website is only as good as the content you provide. If you want people to pay for access to your site, you need to give them something worth paying for. That means having a steady stream of high-quality, exclusive content that they can't find anywhere else. And then you'll need to promote your site. Just because you build it doesn't mean they will come. You'll need to let people know about your site and why it's worth their hard-earned money. How to get started: choose a niche. Figure out what kind of content or service you want to offer on your site. This will help you determine who your target audience is and what they're willing to pay for. Build your site. Create a website that's easy to use and navigate. Make sure it has all the features and functionality that your members will need and want. Promote your site. Get the word out about your new membership site by promoting it on social media, in forums, and through other channels. Start making money. Once you start getting members, you can begin charging them for access to your content or services. Let's discuss tips for running a successful membership website. Define your goals. What do you want your website to achieve? Without clear goals, it will be difficult to measure success. Build a strong community. A key part of any successful website is a strong and engaged community. Focus on building relationships with your members and providing value for them. Offer exclusive content. One way to keep people coming back to your website is to offer exclusive content that they can't find anywhere else. This could be in the form of articles, videos, or other resources. Be responsive to feedback. If you want your website to be successful, you need to be responsive to feedback from your members. Take their suggestions and criticisms seriously and use them to improve the site. Promote your site. Don't forget to promote your membership website. Lastly on our list is to sell an online course. This is the topic that I will be giving you guys an overview of because I've discussed it in detail in several other videos before. Selling an online course can be a great way to make money. You can reach a large audience with your course, and you can sell it for a high price. If you create a course that is valuable and in demand, you can make a lot of money from it. To sell an online course, you need to first create the course. Once you have created the course, you need to promote it. You can promote your course through social media, email marketing, or by creating a sales page on your website. Once you have promoted your course, you need to price it correctly. If you charge too much for your course, people will not buy it. But if you charge too little, you will not make much money from it. You need to find the sweet spot where you are making a good profit but still providing value to your customers. Let's wrap up today's video. I wish you all good luck for the next big investment opportunity you get. Do stick around if you want to learn more about finance management and ideas that will get you started in exploring new sources of income. You'll find plenty of content about achieving financial independence here on this channel. Hopefully you found it fruitful. Remember to keep hustling and taking care of yourself. Bye.